let's talk about understanding social media. It's a new media revolution. Social media is a vital breakthrough for freedom-seeking, free-spirited visionaries, change agents, entrepreneurs, and pioneers. By watching this, you are demonstrating your commitment to taking the first step in setting yourself apart from the masses. No matter what a person's status or level of achievement in society, those who have reached a pinnacle of success in life do not rest on their laurels. And now they all implement social media strategies into their plan of action. We are born to evolve and thrive on change in order to harness new energies and opportunities. This intro guide is all about helping you change your mindset when it comes to social media. It is a movement sweeping change across the planet, and we need you on board. Soon, you will hold within yourself this principle of power that contains the solutions to a brighter future, a path of greatness, and the formula for reaching your peak potential. My purpose is to help you understand you can achieve anything if you apply what evolution is bringing to us. In this case, social media. It is great when entrepreneurs create companies and make them successful. But once they have accomplished that, they need platforms for their raving fans to communicate with. They need a quick way to keep their ideas flowing, and that is when social media comes into place. Places like blogs, Facebook pages, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and LinkedIn are the perfect stages for individuals and brands to come alive, to get feedback, to share with the world what they're up to, and grow their databases. Bottom line is, if you're not open to new strategies and new technologies, your brand and business will suffer.